So every startup, I think, starts with an idea. Yeah, there is this one person who has this great idea and think that's going to be the next successful product in the market. And an idea is fine, but getting the idea to market is a long way. Okay, and you can take different routes, but in the end, I mean, once you have the idea, what I would advise is start to make a proof of concept early. Make a prototype. Okay. Make a prototype of your device. In our case, in VIPUN Medical, our prototype was a standard feeding tube, which we bought from any company producing feeding tubes. Our idea was, okay, you know, let's add a balloon on top of that feeding tube and see if we can measure the stomach function. So that's exactly what we did. We took some balloons, and they weren't actually really medical balloons. They were just a plastic bag, which we glued on top of that. And we started doing experiments with that. We started doing experiments in a controlled way, okay? So you need to be sure that every time either the animals or the humans you do the experiments on are safe. But this is a first way to start generating really tangible data. So a first advice for me is really, if you have an idea, try to build that into a prototype and do some studies with it. Try to build your proof of concept.